Musicians, things are about to get a lot more expensive. Let's talk about what a tariff is in the first place. A tariff is a tax that is placed on goods when they cross a national border. For example, a Squier guitar that's made in China gets shipped from China. Once it hits the US border, it gets a 125% tariff tax on that item before it even hits Sweetwater Guitar Center. Crazy. So what does this mean for musicians? Number one, stuff will be more expensive. Any piece of gear that you get from Sweetwater, Guitar Center, or even your local music shop that imports overseas is subject to this tariff increase. Some companies will help take the hit of this price for their customers, but some companies won't. Brands that will be affected by this include Yamaha, Fender, Gibson, Roland, and many more. Here, let's break this down by instrument. We're going to look at a bass guitar first.